Which condition causes Cushing strait? Answer C. Increased ICP, intracranial pressure. Which electrolyte imbalance causes depressed reflexes? Answer B. Hypermagnesemia. Which hormone stimulates RBC production? Answer C. Erythropoietin. Which lab findings indicates iron deficiency anemia? Answer B. Low ferritin. Which condition causes microcytic anemia? Answer C. Iron deficiency. Which electrolyte imbalance causes ileus? Answer B. Hypokalemia. Which condition causes increased INR? Answer A. Liver disease. Which vitamin is required for RBC maturation? Answer B. Vitamin B12. Which condition causes hypoventilation? Answer C. Opioid overdose. Which ABG finding indicates metabolic alkalosis? Answer B. Increased pH, increased bicarbonate. Which condition causes rhabdomyolysis? RH rhabdomyolysis. Answer A. Prolonged immobility. Which lab value indicates muscle breakdown? Answer B. CK. Which condition causes increased CK-MB? Answer B. Myocardial infarction. Which condition causes disseminated intravascular coagulation? DIC. Answer B. Sepsis. Which lab finding suggests DIC? Answer C. Decreased fibrinogen. Which condition causes hypercoagulable state? Answer A. Pregnancy. Which anticoagulant is monitored by APTT? Answer C. Heparin. Which anticoagulant is monitored by INR? Answer B. Warfarin. Which condition increased risk of DVT? Answer B. Dehydration. Which sign suggests pulmonary embolism? Answer B. Sudden dyspnea. Which condition causes pleural effusion? Answer A. Heart failure.